Ladies and gentlemen, we all know Houston is under water.
Hours they scour this area, saving family after family. Survivors climbing aboard, willing to give part of their homes.
It's never been seen in USA, such a disaster. We are not used to with this kind of disaster here. It is our obligation to come forward and be by the Houstonians. I'm requesting everybody on behalf of the Optimist and its board and its volunteers to join our effort to be with the Houstonians. Visit our donation site and join us. I personally guarantee every penny will be given to the right person.